Hello again, everyone. You know, this shirt was part of a quality award that I was honored with some 27 years ago. How about that? It still fits after all these years. But in all seriousness, Traulsen's reputation for building quality commercial refrigeration goes back much farther than that. In fact, all the way to 1938. I'm James Polero, and this is Another Traulsen Difference. In previous episodes of ATD, we've discussed some of the many ways in which Traulsen reach-ins deliver high ownership value. However, the bottom line for refrigeration quality always boils down to performance, and I'm not talking about just holding proper temperatures. Believe it or not, that's actually the easy part. However, the real challenge in a hot, busy kitchen like yours is the refrigeration's ability to recover interior cabinet temperature after each time the doors are opened. Fortunately, this is something that Traulsen reach-ins excel at. Please allow me to show you just how they accomplish this. It begins with our clockwise interior airflow. This is superior to the downward or rear discharge designs used by many of our competitors because it is intentionally patterned to distribute cold air evenly throughout the food zone. Added to this, in order to prevent the cold airflow from being blocked by the operators who commonly over or improperly load their refrigeration equipment, our load shore guard assures that cold air gets all the way to the bottom, where it will then migrate throughout the rest of the cabinet. Next, our precise digital controls are programmed to hold very tight temperature tolerances. This is especially important with refrigerators in particular. Temps below 32 degrees Fahrenheit will result in frozen food and possibly even unnecessary waste. And we all know how food's quality, shelf life, and safety is negatively affected when stored above 41 degrees. Long a hallmark of our reach-ins, the thermal expansion valve, or TXV for short, responds to periods of increased demand better than the capillary tube metering devices used by so many of our competitors. The benefit of this is that when needed, it allows more refrigerant into the system. A greater volume of refrigerant equates to an increased capacity to absorb heat quickly and efficiently. Then we come to the first of the two coils used in every refrigeration system. First, refrigerant passes through the evaporator coil, where it absorbs heat from the cabinet interior. The larger its surface area, the greater capacity it has to quickly and efficiently transfer this heat to the refrigerant. Lastly, we come to the condenser coil, where heat from the refrigerant is released out to the surrounding environment. Once again, the larger the surface area, the more ability this coil has to accomplish this quickly and efficiently. You see, the prospective customer may not recognize the value of these individual system components. However, they're not what's really important here. It is about what they provide. The combination of patterned airflow, precise controls, TXV metering device, and large evaporator and condenser coils are what makes a Traulsen such a performance beast, which is why they work so well in the hottest and busiest kitchen conditions. As you can see, our long-standing quality reputation continues and extends far beyond just the cabinet construction to what really matters most, the refrigeration system itself. And I can tell you that the best is still yet to come. Thank you. I hope that you enjoyed our time together today, and we'll come back again next week for another new episode of ATD. I'm James Polero, and this has been Another Traulsen Difference.